Okay, good day. So this video is going to show you how to get your vehicle door that is locked and the lock itself is unable to unlock because it's jammed, and currently because of its jam it's unable to open with the key from outside the door itself, which is outside, and even from within inside. So right now I'm trying to remove all the necessary upholstering so I could access the lock where the wire connects to this unlocking tab and the handle itself. So, and these are for Nissan vehicles or any other vehicle. So I'm just taking my time and gently removing areas to avoid any ambiguities with the screws and the wiring. Okay, so I'm just going to remove the screw with the Phillips head. So you just have to carefully remove it from the socket and then gradually pull out, as you could see. There's a lever here, which is seen right here. So we're gonna try to use our bird beak pliers to remove that. So just to access, I'm going to wind on the glass. Alright, so just in addition to this video, this was the root cause that was analyzed based on the door not unlocking correctly, which is connected to these stem connections here. The connection that goes into this wire, which is this, so you could see me jerking that there. It was not correctly seated into this, it was broken. So we have to get the whole housing, the assembly for the door mechanism changed. You could get this at your local parts store or even online on Amazon or any other ordering site based on the vehicle's model and serial number, OEM parts.